Australia's unbelievable war against birds. Did you know Australia once went to war against birds? And spoiler alert, the birds won. In 1932, farmers in Western Australia had a big problem. 20,000 emus were invading their crops, eating everything in sight. The government decided to take action and sent soldiers armed with machine guns to fight the emus. But guess what? The emus were too fast and too smart. They dodged bullets, scattered in small groups, and outsmarted the army at every turn. After weeks of trying, the soldiers admitted defeat, and the emus remained undefeated champions of the outback. Crazy, right? Would you believe this actually happened? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.